Evening and welcome to the Whiskey Lover Society with me, Gert Retief, on vacation, finding a little bit of sun, getting away from the colder weather in Belgium. So, lovely day, loads and loads of sun, and of course, it's time to sit back, relax, and have a nice wee dram of Glenmorangie 16-year-old. So quite looking forward to giving this a nosing and tasting. And of course, most of the hotels do not have a proper nosing glass. So I had to settle for this big old glass. But I did pour myself a sample. I always bring a nice whiskey on my travels and my holidays, just to make sure that in the evening you have something decent to drink. Not a lot of the hotels will stock the good stuff. Most of them, the Johnny Walkers or maybe the Chivas Regal, that's the best that you can hope for. Maybe a Johnny Walker Red Label or maybe a J&B. So yeah, I come prepared like a good Boy Scout, and I did pour myself the 16-year-old Glenmorangie. It is 46% ABV, probably colored added to it just to ensure that they all look the same. So little short video, the sun is going down, and it's time to go out, have a good time, see what the city life is all about. So on the nose, on this Glenmorangie 16-year-old, it is lovely. Even in this big glass, it's lovely sweet. It's loads and loads of vanilla. We have lots and lots of toffee, almost like an English toffee note that comes through. That alcohol, 46%, I think it is a perfect level. You're not going to get much of the alcohol in this big glass, but it's definitely releasing all those lovely flavors and all that molecules that comes up. So definitely on the nose is something that's familiar. It reminds me of this, maybe a little bit of a 10-year-old as well. But it feels like it is a little bit richer on the nose, and it may be a little bit darker on the appearance as well. Ex-bourbon and some sweet wine maturation on the nose. Perfect for me. On the taste, cheers. I'm a little bit surprised of this one. There's a spiciness to it. That extra 6 years does show up. There's an oakiness to it. There's a little bit of a kick of that 46% ABV. There's a little burniness. That then after that hotness brings out a little bit of a sweetness, a little bit of a almost like a furniture polish note that comes out. There's a little raisiny note. There's a lovely light sweetness, definitely not overly sweet. One more try. It feels like it drinking like 48%. Could be a little bit almost hotter, maybe a 50% ABV. It is lovely. I do get the oakiness that comes through. I get a little bit of a hint of a tannin, maybe a little bit of almost like out of 10, maybe going 6 to 7. There's a little bit of that little bitterness comes in, but it is lovely. it is definitely something that I would appreciate in the future. Price-wise, we're looking at 75 euros, 76 euros in Belgium. And so it is not a bad price, considering I just did a video on the Kilchoman 16 years old, 50% ABV, 260 euros for a bottle. Compared to this Glenmorangie at 75 euros 90s that I can buy it for, I'm sure you can buy it much cheaper. So that, my dear friends, is the Glenmorangie 16-year-old, 46% ABV. Definitely something that I can get used to, and compare that to that horrible, expensive 16-year-old Kilchoman, I think this is a winner. Now, it's not going to blow your mind. It's not going to be a whiskey that you are going to keep on recommending to everybody, but I think at that price point, it makes sense. It's going to be, well, more or less the same every time that you buy it. And I think that is the winning recipe from Glenmorangie. It might be the same old, but it is something that's comfortable, and it's something that a lot of people enjoy in the whiskey. They know, they pick it up at the shop, available everywhere. And well, we're not going to be disappointed. That good old friend that will come to visit you every time. This is the type of whiskey that I'm looking at, that good old friend. So thank you very much for watching. I might do a video or two just to show you some of the sights that I'm experiencing on this lovely island, all to be revealed a little bit later on. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate all my new subscribers over the last 2 weeks. It's been a very good week again. So thank you very much, and please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I see you next time. Cheers.